Hello everyone, I'm Putri Giovanni with student ID C1C0255194. In this video, I will continue my pronunciation project. Please enjoy the video. Before continuing, I will briefly review the memorization of the previous week to make sure I still remember it well. This is the story of 3 plastic bottles empty and discarded. Their journey are about to defeat with outcome that impact nothing less than the fate of the planet. But they weren't always this way. To understand where these bottles end up, we must explore their origin. The heroes of our story were conceived in this oil refinery. The plastic in their bodies was formed by chemical bonding oil and gas molecules together to make monomers. In turn, the monomers were bonded into long polymer chain to make plastic in the form of millions of pellets. Those were melted at manufacturing plants and reformed in molds to create the resilient materials that makes up the triplets' bodies. Machine filled the bottle with sweet, bubbly liquid, and they were then shipped, bought, opened, consumed, and unceremoniously discarded. And now here they lie, poised at the edge of the unknown. Bottles one, like hundreds of millions of tons of his plastic breathing, ends up in the landfill. This huge dump expand each day as more trash come in and continues to take up space. As plastic sit there being compressed amongst layers of other junk. Rainwater flow through the walls and absorb water-soluble compound it contains, and some of those are highly toxic. Together, they create a harmful stew called leachate, which can move into groundwater, soil, and stream, poisoning ecosystem and harming wildlife. It can take bottle one and agonizing 1,000 years to decompose. After reviewing my previous memorization, I continue with the third paragraph of the transcript. In this part, I use the same method as before by dividing the paragraph into smaller parts to make it easier to memorize. I read each sentence several times and try to understand the meaning. By practicing step by step, I can gradually improve my memorization and pronunciation.